Alright, so I thought I would just do a quick gear rundown of what I've been hiking with. I've been hiking the trail around Emerald Lake. It's about 12K. Basically I've been using this and some stuff in my pockets. So first thing to start with is I've got these Feel Raven pants with the zipper pocket there. It has my wallet and keys there. And I'm just wearing some trail running shoes because the trail's not that hard, so it's better to have comfortable feet and it's not a wet day. And yeah, these pants are great. In this pocket I have just a little flashlight just in case, I don't know, it's just super light. And then in this pocket I have a folding knife for my food or little things, I don't know. These can be the handiest things in the world, or it can just be a weight in your pocket. It just depends. So, I mean, here's how it looks. This knife, it doesn't get used much, but it's not like you carry this to just use all the time. You carry it just in case, and it does the trick, right? It's decently thin, decently thick. You can stab into wood nicely. Yeah, it's a good knife. This is the 4-inch version, so only for hiking. And another thing I have on me here is I have a stick that I made. Here's the stick. It's made of Saskatoon berry wood. It's been dried out, and I've got this little thing that I can put my phone in to take photos, or I can just have my hand in to when I'm walking. And I don't know, you can buy poles, but why buy poles when sticks are free? And I have this bag here. So here's my sunglasses. It just, if I don't need them, I have them there. Inside this bag, here's my raincoat. This is the something research brand, but anyway, there's a raincoat. In here I have a water bladder which had 3 liters of water in it. There's the fill hole. Oh, so I guess it just compresses when the water goes down. And then here's the drinking spout. And then in this top pocket I have one of the most important things, which is here's a holster in case there's other people on the site, so I didn't need that. But here's bear spray, because this is prime grizzly country and you don't want to risk nothing. So put these back in here, and so yeah, we got that. And then we'll open this. So I keep this on here so that when I'm hiking I don't have just all my stuff just coming out of the zipper without me knowing about it. And this, I don't know, this is just for whatever reason, in case like maybe the bag breaks, I can rig it up with something. Got some gloves in case my hands get cold. I have a phone charger, the cable for my phone. This is an extra I didn't want to have. This is just a AAA Olight i3T. It has a low setting and a high setting. That can be handy. I didn't realize that was in there. And then here I have this is a sharpening stone for a knife. So it's made by Falcon even. It's got a ceramic side and a coarse side. And then I have a larger Olight with a lighter stuck to the bottom magnetically. This thing is just a blast light in case I'm out here for dark. It'll do like it has it's waterproof and it has a lockout function, and then you just hold down to change the brightness, and it also has a tail switch to really blast them. But yeah, it's always good to have flashlights when you don't know what's going to be happening. So we just hold down, turns on, turns off, it's in lock mode. So yeah, both those flashlights and the one in my pocket, by the way, they're water resistant. I have a ferro rod, and in here I have a headlamp. This is the Through Night TH20. Why I like this one is it just has one switch. It takes one AA only, and when you turn it on, you can hold down to to adjust brightness. So, or you can double press to go to turbo mode. In here, I have electrical tape, best first aid kit stuff ever. I've got Leatherman Skeletool. If you ever used this before, it has a knife, but mainly it has pliers, which is the best part of this stuff. So just enough to pull things off of you if you have to. I've got bear bangers in here. As you can see, bears are a problem around here. I've got iodine tablets for more water. I've got some first aid stuff, granola bar. Got some hulls, that's cool. Yeah, just kind of keep this stuff in here. Don't really think about it. And one of the last things I have, most important gear is, other than like my sweater and shoes, is I have my fixed blade. I've got electrical tape on the handle to increase the grip. I taped the back because the pommel's a bit sharp, and and this thing's never left the sheath for the last 3 days, other than to do some food prep. So yeah, I don't know, I carry this in confidence that it'll help me out for the off chance I run into some kind of a deadly animal, which I haven't, but that's great. And also, you can do a lot of things with a good fixed blade. So there we go. It's full tang all the way through. Has a rear pommel, 7.5 inches long, 3V steel Bark River knife. This is called the Bark River Taupe Recon, and I have it here in a sheath. This sheath is Kydex. So basically what happens is it doesn't come out unless you physically really pull it out. So it doesn't matter if it's upside down, whatever, that knife's not coming out, and it just dangles on my belt with the option to scout carry it. So I could put this on my pants if I want. And yeah, or I could attach it to my bag. So it has all the options. But I mean, of all the most important tools you could possibly bring on any hike, I'd say that this is one of them. This is one of them. Don't go on hikes anywhere without at least this stuff. And if there's a lot of people out there hiking, then you're blessed, you won't run into anything, but you don't want to risk it. So have fun hiking.